Hello friends, this is Botany Ramaya. Today I am going to explain about 2 marks questions from first year Botany, chapter 13. Define population and community. Population means a group of similar individuals belonging to the same species found in an area is called population. Community means an assemblage of all populations belonging to different species occurring in an area is called community. In population, here same species, it is very important point. In community, different species, it is very important. Second one is name the type of land plants that can tolerate the salinities of the sea. Halophytes can tolerate the salinities of sea. Rhizophora and mangroves are examples of halophytes. The next third one is hydrophytes show reduced xylem. Why? Hydrophytes means the plants that grow in water or very wet places are called hydrophytes. In hydrophytes, all submerged organs of plant body are capable of absorbing water. Hence, xylem is reduced in hydrophytes. Then next, fourth one is define heliophytes and zeophytes. Name a plant from your locality that is either heliophytes or zeophytes. So heliophytes means the plants that grow in direct to sunlight are called heliophytes. Hibiscus and Nicotiana, etc. are examples of heliophytes. Then zeophytes, the plants that grow in shady places are called zeophytes. Funaria and Pteris, these are examples of zeophytes. The next, fifth one is among hydrophytes, among bryophytes, lichens and ferns, which one is pioneer species in a xeric succession? Lichens are the pioneer species in xeric succession. So question is, among bryophytes, lichens and ferns, which one is pioneer species in a xeric succession? Lichens are the pioneer species in xeric succession. So here lichens are special group of plants in which an algal partner and fungal partner live together as symbionts in which they are living. So lichens, algae and fungi together constitutes lichens. So lichens are pioneer species. So here pioneer species means the species that invade a bare area is called pioneer species. Xeric succession means the plant succession that starts in dry area is called xeric succession. The next one is define communities. Who classified plant communities into hydrophytes, mesophytes, and xerophytes. So here community means an assemblage of all the populations belonging to different species occurring in an area is called community. Use and warming classified plant communities into hydrophytes, mesophytes, and xerophytes. The next seventh one is climax stage is achieved quickly in secondary succession as compared to primary succession. Why? So here plant succession means an orderly process in which different plant communities occupy a particular area before the development of climax vegetation is called primary plant succession. So here climax stage is achieved quickly in secondary succession as compared to primary succession. Since some soil or sediment is present in secondary succession is faster than primary succession. So in secondary succession, some soil or sediment is present. In primary succession, soil is absent. That's why climax stage is achieved quickly in secondary succession as compared to primary succession. Then last one is give any two examples of xerarch succession. Lichens, Funaria, and grasses. These are examples of xerarch succession. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మరియు మర్చిపోకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.